A look inside my pet bees lab. Hello, I'm Leslie. Next to me here is my pet bees lab. I'd like to share my personal experience of how I created it and what it actually takes to manage one. As discussed earlier, my set of tools does not include a smoker, but rather a spray bottle. In those rare instances when the bees become agitated to the degree that begins to impede my work in the hive, I give them a light spray shower from the spray bottle. This not only cools down their temper, but also provides the bees with some water, which the bees promptly pick up and carry down into the hive. completion of the steps for all 4 hive bodies, I simply put back the remaining elements: riser, cloth, feeder, cover, tile, and water. My hive is restored to its structural integrity, and I know exactly what is happening inside and therefore how my colony is doing today. To share this knowledge with my expert colleague, I simply type and email the information stored on my voice recorder. This episode covers only the procedure of managing my pet bees lab. The creative side of the lab is certainly much more diverse and engaging, and I'd like to show at least some of its facets, probably in the next few episodes. But I truly hope this one has you considering the possibility of following my example. So bye for now, and good luck with starting your own pet bees lab.